What's up, guys? Bear TV back at again with another video today. So today, guys, I'm here, as you can see by the title of the video, looking at some new 2020 gear I just got. I ended up going with CastleX this year. They actually hooked me up and talked to them. So guys, we're gonna get into it, but just so you guys know, anything you guys want, like looking into CastleX gear, if you guys use my code Bear TV 5, you get 5% off your purchase. So I'll leave the link in the description with the code for you guys. If you guys are in the market for new snowmobile gear and you don't know what to get, you're looking for something not super pricey but not cheap either, the material is really good. I'm already a fan of the gear, the helmet, the goggles, the coat that I have. I got some gloves. So far it's definitely the best gear that I've owned. So we're gonna get into the video, guys. Today we're gonna do a couple we're gonna do like a little photo shoot for you guys. We're gonna talk about the gear and what I got. So first things I got, guys, I ended up going with the Rival gloves from CastleX. If I remember correctly, there was only one color. These gloves, in my opinion, were probably the best option for me. They're not super heavy duty, so you can still kind of move on your sled and do stuff and grip good. But at the same time, they're also not super like lightweight, so they do keep your hands warm. What I do like too is they fit really easy over top. So guys, as you can see, the gloves, they fit really well. They go right up over top of my stuff, and they go really far back, so you got great coverage. They got great grip in the inside, and they're really comfortable. So that's the gloves I got this year from CastleX. Great, fantastic. I'm super stoked to be working with them, guys. So guys, for the next thing I got was a CastleX Strike coat. It was a pretty good price. Like I said, the price point on the clothes that you guys get are actually pretty cheap in comparison to other models like FXR, 509, and a couple other things. The material is really good. It's really heavy duty. I'm sweating actually right now. They have an inliner on it already, also place to put goggles, all sorts of stuff, like glasses. If you're listening to music, you got a music hole. But the one thing I really like about it is, my other jackets never had it, is it has the inline and you put your thumb through. And when you put your thumb through like this, it pulls right through. You have nothing's gonna go up underneath it when you put your gloves on. So all you do is you pop your gloves right up over top. Boom. Perfect coverage. Nothing's getting up in there. You're nice and warm. So that's why I went with this. Nice color and everything. Next thing, guys, that I went with was the MX style helmet from CastleX with a nice red color. You got a whole bunch of CastleX stuff. And then I also went with the OG blackout orange color for my visor, or my goggles. So far I put them on, they haven't seemed like they fogged or anything. Good price on them. I love the color combo. I don't know about you guys, I got the red on the helmet, I got the red on the goggles, and then I got my sled to match with the red with my SKS 850, guys. So far, like I said, I've noticed pretty good quality. I'm gonna take them up north tomorrow and ride them. I also got a mount which goes in front. I have a Pro Shot mount, which I have in my other CastleX helmet, that goes right here on the front, and my GoPro sits right here. So if you guys are looking into figuring out ways to mount your GoPro, check out Pro Shot mount. I'm gonna have the link also in the description. And I've used it on the other helmet, and I'm gonna put it on this helmet. It works great, super secure, so you're not having to worry about the GoPro falling off or anything like that. Next, guys, we're gonna go for the boots. I love these boots. They're probably one of my favorite. Don't mind the snow, but I got the CastleX boots. they have the twist on style of the how to tighten them and stuff like that. You get a closer shot on it. So basically, guys, you pop this like that and it loosens it, and you can get right out of them really quickly. And then also you pop it back in, and then all you do is just sit there and tighten like this, and boom, you're good to go. They're all tight, ready to go, comfortable. And like I said, guys, the price for this product is really, really not bad. I think these boots were like $230. Helmet was like $230. Gloves, I think, were like 60-ish. The jacket was like $230. So overall, guys, I mean, for the price that you're getting on this product, it's really, really not bad at all. Also, like I said, guys, if you go and use my code CodaBearTV5, you get 5% off your purchase if you guys like to, if you're in the market for CastleX gear. The only thing I do not have is I did not get bibs. I did not get bibs. I'm a bigger guy, and I could not find a 3X bib on them. I had a 3X jacket, but no 3X bib. So that's unfortunate for me. I'm just gonna rock what I got. I mean, I'm gonna have to definitely get bibs at some point. Who knows, maybe they'll have some 3X next year or something like that. So, but we're gonna go back to a little bit of photo shoot for you guys. Do a little pics with the sled, with the gear and everything. I'm gonna be posting all throughout this video. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.